Hi guys, and welcome back to another EdTech tutorial. Today we are going to be taking a look at the breakout rooms in Zoom, and it's really good if you have a large class that you want to split down into smaller groups, or if you're doing a teaching faculty meeting and you want to split people down into smaller groups as well. So let's get started. And the first thing as well, just a reminder that Zoom 5.0 is coming out, so make sure you download that as well. It's got increased encryption and a whole bunch of other features that are going to be really handy. So make sure you download that. And what you need to do is go to your web portal browser and sign into zoom.us and go to your profile. And then on the side we'll have the settings options. So click on that. And we can skip straight down to in meeting advanced, and here we go, we have our breakout room option, and I've turned that on already, and we've got that gives us the option to split our meetings, our participants, into smaller rooms. And yeah, we want to allow our host to assign participants when scheduling, so we'll keep that switched on. Let's have a look what that looks like. So if I just open up Zoom real quick and just start a new meeting, I should have this new option now at the bottom here as the host that says breakout rooms, and here I can assign participants automatically into 1 room, 2 rooms, or 3 rooms depending on how many POCs you have, or how many groups that you want, or we can do that manually. The difference is automatically we'll just choose 10 kids at random. It will divide the number, so if you've got 30 kids it will divide 10 automatically randomly into each room. If you don't want that option and you want to do it manually, just click onto the menu and we'll create the breakout rooms. Here are each breakout room, so you can rename them to your POC, teacher, or your classroom, or however you want it, or just leave them as room 1, 2, and 3. And then if we click on assign, we should then be able to assign your participants to these rooms. You can do this before, but what you would need to do then is have everyone log in. So that might be a bit of an issue. So it might have to be done during the meeting, and that's fine. Maybe another co-teacher or someone could be talking or introducing something, and then you can go ahead and assign these classes up ready to go with the participants in the room. So the participants need to be in the Zoom meeting so you can assign them. What I'm going to do now is add another account and maybe Mr. Pradesh, and we'll see how that looks. So now I've got Mr. Pradesh and another dummy account in the meeting. We can now go ahead and assign, and when I click on the assign option I should have the options of which students I want to add in then. So I've got Mr. Pradesh, I might move him to Zoom room 1, and then I might assign the dummy account to room 2, for example. And once that's all set up, I don't have to move them just yet. They can still be in this lobby screen, let's say, and we could be talking through what's going to happen. And then when I'm ready, I can click on either open all rooms. So what happens there is the screen pops up on the student's display that says join room or cancel, and you want to prompt your children to click join room. And as you can see now on my screen, that Mr. Pradesh is in room 1 and my dummy account is in room 2. Let's see if we can join Mr. Pradesh in room 1, and it will join you these breakout rooms. Oh, he's just left. But that's what it looks like for the children's screen. You'll both be in there in your room, and once they're ready and they're finished and you want to bring them all back together, once we've finished having these interactions, I can leave this room and return to the main session. And it's as simple as clicking join, and then at the bottom right I just click leave, and instead of leave meeting, if your children ever click leave meeting, they will need to rejoin the meeting. So make sure it's clear that they leave breakout room, and maybe one teacher can just stay in that room until they're all out and then all come back to the main session. And there you go, I'm in the main session now, and I should have this option to join my breakout room. There you go, Mr. British is back now. Awesome, fantastic. So that's how it is. It's very simple to do that, and that room is still open to Mr. Pradesh. If he wants to, he can change in and move that room. And then when I'm finished, I can close all rooms. And it'll give them a couple of minutes for each participant to manually move out of that room. So hopefully that's it. If you have any questions or you have any doubts, again, let me and Mr. Pradesh know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. But definitely have a play, invite your teachers in to see what it looks like. so you're ready to go. Yeah, amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Pradesh.
Thank you.
Here's